वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj gifted us a beautiful message regarding that God is one and He is the enlightener of all the hearts and He meets with the Guru's blessing. So Guruji talking about today about the Samarath. What is the Samarath word stands for? Samarath stands for omnipotent. Vaheguru is omnipotent. He is the cause and effect of everything. Sab jag jinhe upaya pai, karan karan samarath. So when we understand that we are in the palm of Vaheguruji, when we understand that we are in the hands of Guruji, when we understand that somebody is leading us, something is leading us, high energy is leading us towards excellence. Jio pind jin sajya pai dekar apni bath. As God had put His light, God had put His seed in us, so we should not worry about from the problems, from negativity, from the people around us who are always demotivate us. So we need to understand the fact that we have the seed of an excellence. We have the seed of greatness. We all have the seed of to reach beauty and truth. किन कहिए क्यों देखिए भाई करता एक अकथ. So there is no other one that can compete with Vaheguru Ji. There is no another one who can compete with God. Karta ek meaning one and only meaning omnipotent. Akath, He cannot be described in the words. We cannot explain through the preaching. We cannot explain through the words. It is the only thing that you can see in your mind. You can see in your heart. You need to dig down. We need to dig down our mind every day, because the proper study of the mankind is man. Gur Gobind Salahi Pai Jiste Jape Tat. Tat is the real essence. Tat stands for the real essence. When we praise God, when we praise Vaheguruji, when we talk about Vaheguruji, when we speak positive words about us, when we put investing words for our family, when we put investing words for ourselves, when we put investing words for the community, nation and the country, all things taking us towards beauty. Jiste jape tat, mere man, oh my mind, japiye har Bhagavanta. Chant Vaheguru's name. If you wanna take the real essence of your mind through you, chant Vaheguru's name. Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. Chanting on the name of Vaheguru. Bhagavanta stands for Prameshwar. Bhagavanta stands for God. Naam daan de jan apne, dukh dard ka hanta. He is the destroyer of all the pains and disappointments. He is the destroyer of all our problems. He will lead us towards excellence. We just need to create a seed of our belief system in deep down our mind that we are not ordinary people. We are the sons and daughters of High God, and He is leading us towards excellence. We just need to believe, and that belief will gonna get us into a conceivement, and that conceivement gonna take us to achievement. Achievement is what? The real essence of ourself. ਬੇਅੰਤ ਭੁੱਲਾਂ ਚੁੱਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੀ।